How to see your reels on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Reel option at the top, which is triangle option with square shape on it. You'll find all your reels pop up. Click on your profile located at top right in the Reels section. Then click on your profile. And here you will find all your reels pop up. Scroll down. I have no reels, so there's no videos yet. You can also upload your reels from here by clicking on create reel, or if you already have, you will find all your reels in here. This is how to see your reels on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.